Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get story mode on TikTok. So first is to open your TikTok app and make sure that it's updated. So let's get started. Tap that plus button on the center. And then you'll be able to see here in the bottom the options. Next to the camera is story. Now you can upload a story, a video one, or a photo. And you can also use directly your camera and just use some effects if you wish to. However, if you want to upload from your gallery, then you can tap upload on the right side and just choose whether videos or photos. So any that you wish to share. And next you'll be headed to this page, and on top of it, the music icon, you can choose any sound you wish to associate with that story. And then here on the right side, you can edit, you can add text, stickers, effects, filter, voice, or enhance your picture or your video. And then once you're done, you can tap next. Or you can also edit the privacy settings, who you want to watch your video. And then if you're all set, then tap next and wait for it to load. So let's try. And you will be able to see that it's uploading. And then once it's done, you will see that your story was uploaded and you are now in the story mode. So that's basically the process. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.